Once upon a time, a female deer in a small village was looking for a suitable place to give birth to her child. She found a safe place among the grass bushes in the forest and reached there. Then she started having labor pains. There were thick clouds in the sky. Lightning was flashing and fire was burning all around. A hunter was standing on the right. A lion was lurking on the left, and behind was the deep water of the river. Even in such adverse circumstances, the female deer adopted positive thinking instead of getting nervous. She thought, whatever happens will happen as per God's will. Then she concentrated on the process of delivery. Nature also supported her. As soon as the hunter shot the arrow, his eyes were dazzled by the lightning, and the arrow hit the lion's eyes. The injured lion ran away, and the hunter also ran away in fear. The rain extinguished the fire, and the deer gave birth to her baby safely. Moral: positive thinking and confidence can help us face difficult situations in life. Like the deer, we should also maintain a positive attitude in adverse circumstances.